Training Module. Programming continuous infusion using the Dose Error Reduction System, DERS, dose-based drug with loading and bolus. Before use, please refer to the Novum IQ Syringe Infusion System Operator's Manual to review all cautions and warnings. Press On/Off to power on the pump. The new patient screen may appear. The pump retains previously programmed infusion values up to 24 hours after power off. At this screen, you have the following options. Press the No soft key to retain the previously programmed infusion values for the same patient. Press the Yes soft key and the Select Care Area screen appears. Next, select the care area using the arrow soft key to select the care area. In this example, select NICU and press OK. Refer to the Syringe Loading and Setup Training Module prior to loading the syringe. Note: always turn off fluid flow to the patient using a tubing clamp or a stopcock when loading or unloading a syringe to prevent unintended bolus. At the drug search screen, use the alphanumeric keys to spell the drug name. In this example, type I, N, and select Insulin Human Reg. Press OK. The Select Modifier screen appears. Note: a modifier is a facility-defined text descriptor used to differentiate drug therapies on the pump when it has distinctive uses, dose modes, concentration limits, or configuration settings. At this screen, a list of modifiers that are available for the selected drug is displayed. Use the arrow soft keys to select hyperglycemia. Press OK. The concentration selection screen appears. Note: you may press the back soft key to return to the drug search screen. Select a concentration of 1 unit per milliliter and press OK. Press the Yes soft key to confirm the concentration. If the drug is configured to allow a loading dose, after entering the concentration, the loading dose prompt is displayed. Press the Yes soft key to program the loading dose. Note: a clinical advisory screen appears. Review the advisory and assess before pressing the Continue soft key to accept. The Loading Dose Setup screen appears. If the loading dose is weight-based, enter the patient weight. In this example, enter 5 kilograms and press OK to confirm. Re-enter the patient weight of 5 kilograms. Press OK to confirm. Note: the secondary weight confirmation is configurable depending on the care area in the drug library. The Loading Dose Setup screen appears. Enter the loading dose amount of 0.1 unit per kilogram. Press OK. Note: the amount entered is checked against the amount limits configured in the drug library. Enter the time of the loading dose as 1 minute. Press OK. Note: the time entered is checked against the time limits configured in the drug library. The default time unit is minutes. A change to SEC soft key will appear when programming if seconds is configured in the drug library. The calculated loading dose rate in milliliters per hour appears. At this screen, you have the following options. Press the Edit Load soft key to change your programming or the Cancel Load soft key to cancel the loading dose programming. Review your loading dose settings, then press the Program Primary soft key to continue and set up the primary infusion. Enter a primary infusion dose of 0.05 units per kilogram per hour. Press OK to confirm the dose, then press Run Stop to begin the loading dose. Caution: interruptions from the flow which may harm the patient can occur if the calculated flow rate is below the minimum recommended flow rate for the loaded syringe. Avoiding flow interruptions is most important when infusing critical medications. Changing to a syringe which accommodates that low flow rate reduces harm. Monitor the patient closely when infusing below the recommended flow rate. Press the Yes soft key to continue at the calculated rate or the No soft key to change the rate or syringe. At this screen, you have the following options. Press the Review Load soft key to review the amount given, or Cancel Load soft key to cancel the loading dose programming. The running bar is blue during loading dose. Note: because the selected drug has a modifier, an asterisk will appear next to its name. When the loading dose completes, the pump reverts to the primary infusion. The green arrows on the Run screen indicate that the primary infusion is being delivered. changing a dose while an infusion is running. A dose change option is available for drugs configured with all continuous dose modes except for milliliters per hour. To change a dose, press the Dose Change soft key at the infusion delivery screen. On this screen, you may press the Clear Dose soft key to clear the current dose rate. Increase the dose rate to 0.13 units per kilogram per hour, which for this example would hit the soft limit. The upper and lower soft limits are displayed in yellow on the screen. Press OK to confirm the new dose rate. Note, soft limits are upper or lower dosing limits that provide a warning prior to hitting the hard limit. After pressing OK, the soft limit screen may appear. Press Yes to confirm. Note, if a dose or rate milliliter per hour change that exceeds the facility's pre-configured limit in a single step is programmed, the single-step dose or rate change alert appears. This shows the percentage of a dose or rate change made in one programming step. Confirmation by the user is needed to proceed. The pump is now running at the new dose rate. Note, the rate is displayed in red because the new dose rate exceeds the soft limit programmed in the drug library. Press the Dose Change soft key again. Increase the dose to 0.45 units per kilogram per hour. Press OK. Because this dose exceeds the hard limit, the upper or lower dosing limits that are set in the drug database and cannot be overwritten, the pump will not allow the infusion to continue. Press the Dismiss soft key to return to the screen and re-enter a dose rate within the hard limits defined in the drug library, or press the Cancel soft key to resume at the previous dose rate. Programming a bolus. Next, you will be programming a bolus by pressing the Bolus soft key and entering the amount of 0.1 units per kilogram. Press OK. Enter 1 minute and press OK. Press Run Stop to begin the bolus. The bolus screen displays the amount of bolus given. Note that, for a bolus, the run arrows are blue. When the bolus is complete, the primary infusion will begin running again. Note, a continuous infusion will keep running until the syringe is empty or the infusion is discontinued. Once a syringe is completely empty, the syringe empty screen appears. Press the Silence soft key to silence the alarm. Press the Clear Program soft key to clear the program. You will then be asked to confirm that you want to clear the programmed infusion. Press the Yes soft key and you will be taken to the Remove Syringe screen. Remove the syringe. Unload the syringe as described in the Syringe Loading and Setup Training module. Always turn off fluid flow to the patient using a tubing clamp or a stopcock when loading or unloading a syringe to prevent unintended bolus.